My name's Lillian Ellen, and I'm the director of the new culinary program at South Arkansas Community College. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make whipped cream. So I'm using about 1.5 cups of cream. And I'm not going to add my sugar until it starts to thicken up. You're not going to dump it all in there. You're going to add it a little bit at a time. And I'm doing it this way because I could wait until the end and just stir the sugar in, but it's going to be grainy and it's not going to be as fun of a texture. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of sugar. You can do more or less depending on what you're using it for, what you're putting it on, and how sweet you want it. Now I've got it about at a soft whip right now. So we're going to add a little vanilla. And you can do this with a KitchenAid, but I wanted to show off. So about 1/2 teaspoon. Now you don't want to over whip. If you start to see kind of a rough texture on it, it means you've over whipped it, but don't throw it away because you can just add a little extra cream to it and it'll smooth it right back out again. This is exactly what I wanted.